So Manny Pacquiao is the winner, standing by with Larry Merchant in the ring.
Thank you, Jim. Congratulations, Manny. Manny, did you think he didn't want to fight you?
Yeah, that's what I thought before the fight, that he's going to box me. I wouldn't expect that style.
Were you disappointed that you didn't get the kind of fight you wanted and that you couldn't exert your power on him?
You know, for me, I'm satisfied with that winning because I won already, but you know, I hope the people are happy with that fight.
You're satisfied because you feel that he was able to fight the survival, and if that's what he wanted to fight, there was no way you could knock him out.
Well, I'm trying to, you know, to make people happy, to give a good fight, to give a good show tonight. You know, I hope that people like it, this fight tonight. You know, we do our best, and you know, I pray the Lord that nobody got hurt both of us tonight.
Were you at all concerned ever that maybe you would not get the decision?
Well, on my preparation and in training on this fight is, I believe that I can give it 12 round decision is I can make it.
What are your final thoughts on the fight? Do you feel that it was out of your power to influence the fight with your power?
I'm still careful on the fight because he's still a good fighter too, and you know, it's not easy opponent, he's still a good fighter.
Do you think the first fight was still in his mind and he just didn't want to get hit by you?
I think I'm just lucky on the first fight. The fight will happen.
Thank you very much. Congratulations again, Manny.
And I would like to thank HBO and to all the promoters, Golden Boy, the Frank Promotion, for giving me this opportunity to fight in Mandalay Bay. Thank you very much to all the fans who come here tonight to watch the fight. Thank you.
Thank you.